Isa ka bang OFW na malayo sa pamilya pero gusto mong kumita na kasama na sila? Well, good news. Alam mo, pwedeng mangyari to kung if you do not only work hard but you also learn how to work smart. Imagine mo, hindi mo na kailangan mag long distance call para kayo ay magkausap. Bakit? Because I'm going to teach you on how you can really multiply your income this year. Paano po? Meron kami isang free webinar. This is absolutely for free. Yung 8 simple strategies na ituturo ko po sa inyo. Ito yung tinatawag na income multiplier method. Dahil sa method na natutunan ko, I was able to establish 12 sources of income at gusto ko i-share po sa inyo on how you can multiply your income, nakasama yung pamilya. At the same time, itong 8 simple strategies that can help you to earn 6 to 7 digits income per month anywhere, anytime, and any place. At gagamitin mo na yung existing skills and experience mo. Maniwala ka, you have what it takes for you to make it. Pero hindi mo lang alam right now. And pag nag-upgrade din kayo sa VIP, may VIP po kami, you will also get access to our freelancing course with me and Coach MK, si Mommy MK po. Siya po yung mother ng mga nagtuturo about freelancing that will teach you on how you can earn money while you are at home. Don't let another year pass by na sinasabi mo, sana maka-for good na ako. Ito na yung opportunity na hinihintay mo para kayo matuto to earn sustainable income. So sign up ka na right now or type go ako sa comment section or just click the link in the comment section.